This video is going to show you how to capture and record over-the-air TV broadcasts for watching when you want and what you want to watch. These are some of the TV shows that you can record, and right now I've probably got about, it says 206 different series that I have recorded. So this is what you're going to be able to do when you get done watching this video. The first thing you're going to have to do is find a good antenna to mount on your roof. It is a lot easier to mount the antenna when you have two people, as you can see here. Two people helps. Okay, the next thing you're going to need is a tuner to pick up the signal from your antennas. In my particular case, I am using the HDHomeRun networked over-the-air tuner. So that's what I'm using right there. Now you have successfully installed your antenna on the roof, hopefully safely, and then you purchase your HDHomeRun tuner. So now we're going to figure out what we do next. Okay, so the next thing you need is a server. And you say, what the heck is a server? The server gathers your data and distributes it throughout your network. So that's what a server does. The server, in this particular case, is the Emby server. Can run on pretty much any hardware that's in existence at this time. But now I'm going to show you one particular device that I'm using, which is made specifically for a server. Now this is the device that I am using as my Emby server. Now this is a unique system because it has a dual hard drive base. So you can put two 3.5-inch 16 terabyte hard drives into this device. I know of no other device that runs Android and accommodates those two hard drives. You have network storage devices like Synology and something like that, but those are extremely difficult to use. This is very simple for simple-minded people like me. So it makes a great file server. That's what they call it, is a file service, or an Emby server. So I'll show you that now. Okay, this is the server itself running on the web browser on this particular box. And this is how you set everything up, is through this web browser. And this is where you set up your recordings or your ripped movies. So this is where you set them up right here. Okay, and this is the section where you set up your devices, your HDHomeRun devices. And this is where you acquire your data, your guide data, your 14 days worth of data. So that's the how you set up the tuners. And here's where you set up the system for your DVR. So that's where you set that up at. Here is the interface of what it looks like. Okay, let's take a look at the live TV programs. That's on right now. Shows. Movies. These are what's on right now. As again, this is over the air. NFL football, November the 5th. Okay, that's coming up. Now, if we want to record that, I'll show you what we got to do. We click on it. We click on either record that particular one, or we can record the seasons, the series. So let's go ahead and record the series. New episodes only. Now this particular one here, we want to add more time to it. So let's give it about 20 minutes just in case they go into overtime. Okay, we've just added 20 minutes to the stop time. So that way we get to record if it goes into overtime. Okay, let's take a look at the grid guide. Now, if we get over here and we find one that we'd like to record, we click on that, record the series, go to record settings, and basically do the same thing. Now here we click on that so we don't record the same ones. Now this is, do not record the episodes that are already in my library. This is an outstanding option because I've got recordings that are recorded on different devices, and if I've already got them, it will not record that same show over again. So that's outstanding there. So that's how you record a series there. Now this one is channels. This shows you each one of the channels. So H and I, heroes and icons. Now this will show you what all TV shows are showing on that particular channel for 14 days. If you notice, I just set up as a recording, so that one is showing a little red dot. So that will record that. Shows the season, the episode, etc., etc. So anyway, it goes up 14 days. And here are some of the recordings that I made. Again, this is a fantastic little device. Now here's the recording schedule. So this one today is coming up at 5 o'clock. Tuesday recordings, Wednesday recordings. Those are everything that's coming up that will be recorded. And under series heading, this is all the TV shows that I have scheduled to record either now or in the future. So that's what I got right there. And here's the movies tab. So let's see what we got there. Okay, I think I have 376 movies. Majority of these I have recorded. Some of them are Blu-ray rips and DVD rips. So, but a lot of them are my recorded TV shows from over the air. TV shows. This is what I like. So now I've got 3D Rock, 12 O'Clock High. Anyway, I've got 206 different series that I've recorded. Some of them I watch quite often, some I don't watch at all, but at least I have them available when I choose to watch them. Death Valley Days, Dragnet. Anyway, these are some fantastic old TV shows that I watch, so, but I've got everything. Let's take a look at Hogan's Heroes. Seasons, season number 1, episode number 1. It will fill in the little thumbnail that's missing right now. Play it. Me TV. Okay, let's take a look at Alf. Okay, here's the episodes. Season 2, 3, and 4. I think I have pretty much all of them. There's the cast and crew. More like this. Seinfeld, Cheers. And more like this on TV. So let's go back there. Let's take a look at Alf number 1. More from season 1, cast and crew. And there's the information about the media. It's a 480i interlaced video. So that's what that is. Okay, there it is. So by throwing an antenna on the roof, or even in your attic, or sometimes stuck to the window, you can get these free over-the-air TV shows. And now they're going to be coming out with HD TV coming over the air. So that's coming soon to your neighborhood near you. Now this particular device, it has Disney Plus movies. That's the ones you, like the movies I've purchased. It's got those. Now you have to use an air mouse on this particular one. So these are my purchased movies that play very well. So that's that. Okay, here's Disney Plus playing on this box. Again, this plays pretty well, but you may have to use the air mouse on it. So that one plays very well also. Okay, I hope I showed you how easy it is to start recording your over-the-air TV shows. There is a little bit of expense up front, but if you cut the cord and cut all those cable shows, a few months you'll have it paid for. So it's a very unique setup, but it's easy to do. Thank you.